Are you tired and burned out? Do you want to regain the passion and energy you once had for your patients and profession? Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. When I graduated from PT school 10 years ago, I was excited and full of energy. I loved my patients and I wanted to make difference in their lives. Around that time, I received my second cancer diagnosis and I was suffering from chronic pain, fatigue, and headaches. I tried everything I had learned in school to help myself, but I was not able to find a long-term solution until ASTR. ASTR is a new treatment approach that treats pain at its source. Our patented and ergonomically designed tools gently break down scar tissue and fascia restrictions while reducing the inflammation that often causes chronic pain. ASTR addresses proper nutrition, inflammation, posture, body mechanics, ergonomics, lifestyle changes, and exercises. So why do providers choose ASTR? Our tools work fast and ergonomically designed. Before ASTR, I was exhausted treating dozens of patients every day, doing 20 minutes of manual therapy per patient just to treat one body part. I started to suffer from carpal tunnel and chronic shoulder pain from all of the work that I was putting into each patient. With ASTR tools, providers use minimal energy and can treat multiple body parts within 5 to 10 minutes. Our tools work effectively. Before ASTR, I would see patients for 3 to 6 months before discharging them, and many would return later with the same issue. Based on ASTR next study, 83% of patients experienced significant pain relief and increased range of motion within their first ASTR treatment, and 87% were still pain-free from the original diagnosis when we followed up with them 1 to 2 years later. Our tools work gently. Unfortunately, patients are conditioned to believe that in order for the treatment to be effective, it has to be painful and invasive. At ASTR, our approach to treatment is always pain-free. ASTR's tool gently glide on the skin and do not cause trauma or bruising. Patients describe treatment as gentle and relaxing, and they actually look forward to the treatment. So, are you ready for a fresh start? Join ASTR's community of empowered providers and become part of healthcare solution that actually works. To learn more, visit astarinstitute.com or call 888-210-2787.